Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about rule-based product assignment to vendor or printer. Here are the key features. Now, you will have the facility to assign products to the vendors, printers, with different product rules based on size, quantity, and additional options. You can simply create product assignment rules and assign them to appropriate vendors. Whenever customers place an order at the front store, the respective product will be assigned to vendors based on the configured rule. Let's see how you can implement this feature on your storefront. Go to Admin, click on Business Partners, select Printer, and click on Add New button here. Now here, you need to enter printer details, printer address, etc., and at the bottom, you can choose how to assign products to the printer, that is auto, or manual. Now, to assign products by rule, go to Any Printer, Action menu, Assign Products. Click on Assign Products button. There we have product assignment type, bulk, and individual. In bulk assignment type, you can assign multiple products at a time to the printer, by select them and move to Assigned Products section, then save it. After that, click in Edit button to create rules. There we have three types of rules: size-based, size-quantity-based, and size-quantity additional option-based. You can select required option, create rules, and save it. In individual assignment type, you can assign single product at a time and can create rules at the same time. For dynamic size products, admin will get to select all area or specific rules. Moreover, while creating rules, admin will be able to check other rules created for the same product on right side of same screen. The products will be assigned based on rules created. If the rule applies to multiple printers, then the system shall assign the product to the printer that is found first in the database. In case of any further queries, feel free to contact us via chat or email. Thanks for your time to watch this video. Have a great day.